Welcome to Invite English Family.
Wow, madam, you've made a wonderful tea.
Thank you.
And our thinking is also accurate, right? I just noticed in the policy that we have the same birthday.
Really?
Yes.
That clearly shows that you are also a Sagittarius.
So now it's final. We'll be celebrating our birthdays together. This, too, in a 5-star hotel.
Oh, no. I hate eating at 5-star hotels.
What is it that you try to avoid? We only get one day to live our lives. By the way, do you consume alcoholic drinks?
Well, I stay alone. So sometimes I entertain myself.
That's fantastic. Tomorrow will be the first time. On our birthday, we'll say the same thing to each other.
But I do have a condition.
My beauty queen, I agree to all of your terms.
But you're not going to change your mind, right? I'd rather celebrate our birthday at home. And certainly not in a hotel.
Then, I also do have a condition.
As you say, Your Majesty.
Whiskey, wine, and food will be on my behalf. Okay.
But I will be cutting the cake first.
You can certainly do that.
All right. Well, you've come so early. I haven't finished the decoration yet.
Happy birthday, sweet girl.
Thank you so much.
Anna, you look stunning in this dress.
Thank you very much. By the way, I have a surprise for you as well, which I will give you later. Please come in. Let me get you some water.
Who wants to drink water today? Today, I only want to drink wine.
So, obviously you want to start the party as soon as possible.
It's now our turn, madam. Why should we continue to waste this wonderful opportunity? Every second will either be in Germany or Bangkok. Which country do you want to live in?
Bangkok. No way. My country is fine.
That's the issue with all of you girls. Even in your dreams, you long for your own country. You don't want to leave there.
I honestly don't remember the last time I was happy. Before my husband died, everything was absolutely perfect. But since his death, I've lost all of my happiness. I'm not sure when I'll be happy again.
You know, grief doesn't look good on a beautiful face like yours. A simple smile can make you happy.
One should how to keep people happy from you. Will you now simply stand here or help me out as well?
So, I have to help you too. You know, Anna, I was thinking how fortunate I am to have a friend like you.
You're the lucky one. Since the death of my husband, happiness has vanished from my life. Since his passing, for the first time, I'm celebrating my birthday. And you get the credit.
It's our friendships and our birthdays. So we're both fortunate. Shall I say something?
What's that?
Your birthday gift is right there in front of you. You should forget about the past. Who knows how your future will feel?
As you say, Mr. Poet. Look, Rocky. Today want that we should drink so much. That we should forget about the rest of the world. I'm curious whether my drinking capacity is greater than yours.
Madam, every day I drink. You can't possibly guess my capability. And you will lose if you compete with me.
So, in addition to being a poet, you are also a drunk. When you have a habit, look for it, mister. A habit makes you powerless.
All right, no problem. You'll understand after drinking this wine. We'll only speak in poetry.
Listen, Rocky. Let me warn you first. Kindly consider this. I strongly condemn drinking and driving. I know some people who drink and drive. So you can stay here tonight. Then, simply leave whenever you want the next day.
Okay, officer of the road. I will not have another opportunity to spend the night with you.
All right, mister. Now that we've stopped flirting, can we cut the cake? Then we'll be able to drink all night.
Okay, let's cut the cake. Happy birthday to you, Anna.
Same to you. You are entirely correct, Rocky. My poetics is now bubbling up itself outside. I'm not sure why I put so much faith in you. Why are your thoughts so lovely to me? They say that love's pain is very sweet.
You know, I'm highly in ability.
Me too.